Hi there, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on a twirling move. It's just an extension of the full twirl. The move rotates back the other way. It gives the twirling a little bit of a different look to it. The trick is an old trick, it's been around for quite some time. It's not widely used that I've seen by many people with the twirling, but it's something that's relatively easy to learn and looks pretty cool. So firstly, obviously you need to learn the full twirl, which is rotating around the index finger, back up onto the middle finger, back down onto the index finger, and then into the open or closed position, whichever you prefer. So the add-on part to that trick, the tutorial which I'm going to show today, is basically full twirl, but instead of ending in the open or closed position, this time you're going to rotate the bite handle back towards you. Okay, just in a loop like that. Okay, so as that handle rotates back around, you're placing your middle finger along the safe handle and you're rotating up onto your middle finger like so. Rotate back down again, index finger back on the safe handle and back over, and then you can finish off, or if you want to you can continue with the twirling just by continuing that same loop. Okay, full twirl, rotating up onto the middle finger, back down again, you can finish off, or if you want to continue with your twirling, just rotate it back around again once and then you can continue twirling.